Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video chat GPT. First, I will show you how to open AI website that chat.openai.com. First, I am going to Google and typing chat.openai.com. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. I'm going to sign up. Okay, sign up with the email, create your account, sign up, continue. Okay, after email and password, you have to put your name, first name and last name. Tell us about you. Name and last name, then you have to continue. Verify your phone number. Okay, after phone number, you have to put your code, what you get your code number. Okay, after you log in, going to page like that, I'm going to click next. Going to page next, how we collect data, go to next. ChatGPT has, we love your feedback, going to done. After you fill up all details, chapter OpenAI website look like that, your dashboard and the OpenAI can start chat. Smart tool like a robot that can talk and write like a read person. It can understand what you say and write and respond back to you. Example, you can ask a question or give it a sentence and it will try to give something back to you. Okay, I'm going to ask two questions from chat OpenAI. First, I'm going to ask how much speed does Earth rotate? First one is how much speed does Earth rotate? Going to enter. Okay, writing right now chat GPT. Okay, now you can see the Earth rotate at a speed of approximately 1070 kilometers per hour. I'm going to ask the second question, how to keep your mind in the present moment. I go to enter. Okay, now you can see chapter OpenAI type in the answer. Now you can see chat.openai giving 7 details about how to keep your mind in present moment. First one, practice mindfulness meditation. Second one, focus on your senses. Focus on your senses, pay attention to what you are seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling in the moment. Third one, take a deep breath. And fourth one, get physically active. Energy in physical activity that requires you full attention. Fifth one, connect with the nature. Spending time in nature can help you. Sixth one is be mindful of your thought. Notice when your mind started to wander and gently guide it back to present moment. Seven, engage in activities you enjoy. Okay, that's the details about giving the chat OpenAI about keep your mind in present moment. Worry about how much speed does Earth is rotate. Try to keep your mind in present moment. That's a video about chat OpenAI AI short video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.